It's day 4 of the NEC show. Feeling a bit weary, but off we go to do some filming. It was really busy yesterday, so we didn't really get much done. So hoping we can get an early start today. I'll catch you later.
Oh, Coachman VIP.
Yeah,
what do you think?
575. Quite nice. I don't like the curtains. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
When you've walked around all day, anything's nice, Dave. For a rest.
Ooh. One of them
Yeah, pull out things.
pull out. Yeah. But not soft close. Fridge. For a van that size. Nice. Nice little touch there, the VI for putting your mobile phones and that in.
Why would you have a telly, Dave?
There's a good question. And there's a tally point here.
Oh, it's one over there.
There's the bathroom. Ooh, big shower. Crikey. That is a big shower. Very nice shower.
Is this 8 foot? Or not?
I'm not sure. On the vent.
Tell by the size of the shower. The lounge don't feel 8 foot, but that bit maybe does.
Have a look on the 7.
Oh, that's quite alright.
So, getting into the
No, it's it. Different layout. Only difference is it's got single beds.
I think these microwave.
Here, look at this. I mean, this is...
Oh no, I don't like that. That's what waste of space, that lounge, isn't it?
Keep cool at night, won't you?
Is that air conditioned?
Yeah.
People are
What do you think then, Mrs. J?
It's alright.
Just alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be a different way,
Toilet.
A lot of money. How long is it?
There's a good question, we'll have a look.
I'm not sure about the lounge bit. I like that the steps aren't too steep.
I can hear the dreaded cry. wallet. I can hear the dreaded cry, wallet. So this is the Coachman Travel Master 565, 4 berth, 4 belts.
8.39.
When we first looked at these, they were about 109,000
Yeah.
when they first, and now they're 132.
Yeah, but it's got that awning on it.
Oh, I don't think I've not seen one with it. So, 2 gas bottles, crash sensor,
Everything
that's a
in
bit
there.
full, isn't it?
Yeah. Got money for that.
Yeah.
Price 5.2, Dave.
It just walks straight in front. On the Mercedes chassis. Travel Master.
Up off this. I don't know whether this settee is so comfortable because it is a comfortable one, or because I'm so tired that I'm enjoying the sit down, to be honest. But it is very comfy.
So here we are in this Coachman Luso, and she don't want to move. She's absolutely nicky-nacky nude, aren't you, Mrs. J? And she's got to walk back to the car, yeah.
Yeah, it is nice. As I say, is it comfortable because I'm so tired, or is it just very comfortable?
It is comfy.
Yeah, it's nice. It feels nice sat in it, doesn't it?
Yeah. The old bed there. Fridge. Yeah. Locked cupboards above the bed and side lockers. Rear washroom and shower. Yeah.
Come on, Dave.
Right.